headed right to here, and there's like a really pretty lake here and little lakes over here. But our main place we're headed to is the chain of lakes right here. And we plan on kayaking these lakes tomorrow. They each have like a little pass that goes through them. So I think we're gonna have a lot of fun. I can't wait to see these like little secluded little lakes in the back, and I just think, I don't know. We'll see how we rate it. I am obsessed. This is so pretty. Just taking each lake in, and each lake is so unique. Like, it's different from the
like
other
this
ones.
One's really deep.
Actually, this is our, oh, we're going to our third one. Yeah, the one before was really shallow, and this one's like really deep.
The water is very clear, but you could tell, you could see the bottom on the other one over there. This one's pretty deep. The Pope Lake.
Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh, are we gonna fit? That's awesome. It's really pretty. I think it's because the bottom is sandy, like white sand, and the water over there is like more brown.
So now we've gone through here. We're like sitting right here. We're gonna go this way, and we're gonna go under a little bridge and hit these two lakes.
Yep.
It was bent to start.
What kind of paddle were you just talking about getting though before this happened? What is it? A carbon fiber one. Well, now you can get that.
So
to look positive.
Ran a bent paddle.
So there's a brewery that we are big fans of and Luke's company distributes, and it's called Bent Paddle, and they're a very like adventure-based brewery, outdoors-based brewery, and now Luke's joking about how he has a bent paddle or a broken paddle, and then it's kind of cool that it has paddle responsibly on their beer can. Bent paddle. Broken paddle.
Bent paddle, paddle break. You gotta give me props. One paddle this whole time.
You've done a lot better than I thought you would.
What, do you think I was gonna complain or something?
Yeah.
It could be worse. It's not. It sucks a little bit, but it's not that bad. It's just like, it's like night and day. Look at this, like no more houses.
No.
It's quiet.
Mhm.
Look at the water. It's just.
Yeah.
I mean, I like the other lakes, but this is where it's at.
Both lakes. From this angle, it looks like you're naked. Gonna getcha, gonna getcha. Woo! With the one paddle. What? Did it suck? Yeah. I think tomorrow when we wake up, we're gonna feel it. Full day of paddling. I can kind of feel a little like
They don't look burnt. It's good we put sunscreen on. That's
oh my gosh, yes.
It was fun. The water was clear at some places and also very...
The water kept changing colors on us, which was kind of cool.
And there was areas where it was not deep at all, and then spots that were super deep. I will say, you know, Pope Lake.
I was just going to say, what was your favorite part?
Lake Night, Lake Orlando. I mean, once we went under that small bridge, it got quiet and...
I felt like we showed a lot of, like, the beginning, because it was just like, yes, like, the whole trip was fun, but the beginning was our favorite part, because it was more secluded and quiet.
Less houses and docks.
Less houses, docks, and boats. Like, once we got to the other bigger lakes, there were a lot of boats that we just had to watch out for, and, like, make sure we were in the right wave.
I felt the first lakes were nice where there wasn't as many houses then. Like, you just got each lake we got farther, there was just more houses.
More houses, more boats.
Restaurants and marinas.
Yeah.
Still fun.
It was kind of cool because we went into it with, like, no expectations.